Every single day, thousands of car owners get blindsided by a repair bill that costs more than their monthly rent. And most of the time it happens because they bought the wrong vehicle. But here's what most people don't realize. There are SUVs out there right now that just refuse to die. We're talking 250,000 miles and still going strong, while the average car has just a 4.8% chance of ever reaching 250,000 miles. Some of these SUVs are 8 times more likely to hit that number. Today we're counting down 10 SUVs that never break down. Buy one once and drive it forever. Before we begin, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing for more content like this. Now let's go from bottom to top. Number 10. Honda Pilot. If you want a reliable mid-size SUV without breaking the bank, the Honda Pilot is one of the smartest choices you can make. Honda's largest SUV comes with a 3.5-litre V6 producing 285 horsepower, paired to a 10-speed automatic. It seats up to 8 and delivers a comfortable ride for families. RepairPal gives the Pilot a 3.5 out of 5 reliability rating, with an average annual repair cost of just $542. That's well below the $652 industry average, and Honda as a brand ranks number 1 out of 32 car brands for reliability. The Pilot's proven powertrain and Honda's obsession with quality mean this SUV keeps running long after the warranty expires. Number 9. Acura MDX. Now take everything great about the Honda Pilot and wrap it in a luxury package. That's essentially the Acura MDX. Acura is Honda's luxury division, so you're getting the same rock-solid reliability with premium features and a more refined driving experience. The MDX comes with a 3.5-litre V6 and offers the super-handling all-wheel drive system. According to the iSeeCars study, 9.1% of Acura MDX models are predicted to reach 250,000 miles. The industry average is only 4.8%, so the MDX is roughly twice as likely to hit 250,000 miles as the average vehicle. Luxury and longevity don't usually go together, but the MDX proves it's possible. Number 8. Chevrolet Tahoe. When you need a big, tough SUV that can handle anything, the Chevy Tahoe is a proven workhorse. This full-size, body-on-frame SUV rides on a truck-based platform shared with the Silverado, and it's powered by a 5.3-litre V8 producing 355 horsepower. With seating for up to 9 passengers and serious towing capability, there's a reason law enforcement agencies across America rely on the Tahoe as their patrol and pursuit vehicle. It gets used hard every single day and keeps coming back for more. The Tahoe's body-on-frame construction, proven powertrain, and widely available cheap parts make it a vehicle that racks up serious miles without serious headaches. Number 7. Chevrolet Suburban. If the Tahoe is tough, the Suburban is its bigger, meaner, older brother. Essentially a stretched Tahoe, the Suburban shares the same durable body-on-frame platform, but adds significantly more cargo space, up to 144 cubic feet behind the first row. The Suburban has been in production since 1935, making it the longest-running nameplate in automotive history. Suburban models are regularly used in limousine and executive transport services, where they rack up hundreds of thousands of miles in just a few years. Despite RepairPal listing the average annual repair cost at $944, the parts are cheap, and every mechanic in the country knows how to work on one. That accessibility keeps Suburbans on the road far longer than most vehicles. Number 6. Lexus RX Hybrid. Here's where things start to get really interesting. The Lexus RX Hybrid is the quietest, most refined SUV on this list, and also one of the most durable. According to iSeeCars, 17% of Lexus RX hybrids are predicted to reach 250,000 miles. That's 3.5 times the industry average. RepairPal gives the RX 350 a 4 out of 5 reliability rating, with an average annual repair cost of just $550, far below the $807 average for luxury midsize SUVs. And here's the kicker. Only 8% of RX repairs are considered severe, compared to 12% for the average vehicle. The combination of Toyota's hybrid technology and Lexus build quality makes this SUV nearly bulletproof. Number 5. Toyota Highlander Hybrid. Some people might find it surprising that a hybrid crossover earns a spot this high on the list, but the numbers don't lie. According to the iSeeCars study, a staggering 31% of Toyota Highlander hybrids are predicted to reach 250,000 miles. That's 6.5 times the industry average, making it the third longest-lasting vehicle of any type in the entire study. The Highlander Hybrid features a 2.5-litre four-cylinder paired with electric motors, delivering incredible fuel efficiency. While the hybrid system adds complexity on paper, Toyota has proven that their hybrid technology is among the most reliable powertrains ever built. 5 hybrid models made the IC car's top 25 in 2025, up from 0 in 2023. That trend tells you everything. Before we move on to the next vehicle, appreciate if you can hit the like button and help YouTube push this video to many other viewers like you. Number 4. Lexus GX. If you want a luxury SUV that's built like a tank, the Lexus GX is your answer. The GX is based on the legendary Toyota Land Cruiser Prado platform, famous worldwide for its durability in the harshest conditions, from African deserts to Australian outback. According to IC Cars, 18.3% of Lexus GX models are predicted to reach 250,000 miles. That's 3.8 times the industry average. RepairPal reports the GX460 has an annual repair cost of $770 and only a 9% chance of a severe repair compared to 12% industry-wide. The secret to the GX's longevity is overbuilt components. The engine produces modest power relative to the robustness of its parts, meaning the drivetrain is never stressed to its limits. In Consumer Reports 2022, the GX was named the most reliable vehicle on the entire market. Number 3. Toyota 4Runner. If there's one SUV that's earned the title indestructible, it's the Toyota 4Runner. This mid-size body-on-frame SUV has been a favorite among off-road enthusiasts and reliability seekers for nearly 40 years. According to the IC Cars study, 32.9% of 4Runners are predicted to reach 250,000 miles. That's 6.8 times the industry average, and the second highest of any vehicle in the entire study. Let that sink in. Nearly 1 in 3 4Runners will hit 250,000 miles. RepairPal gives it a 4 out of 5 reliability rating, with an average annual repair cost of just $514. That's $138 less than the average vehicle. The 4Runner's secret is simplicity. Body-on-frame construction, a naturally aspirated engine with no turbocharger, and a straightforward mechanical design mean there's simply less to break. And when something does need attention, the parts are affordable. There's a reason used 4Runners hold their value better than almost any other SUV on the market. People know what they've got. Number 2. Toyota Land Cruiser. You may not have heard the phrase planned obsolescence, but it's more common in the car industry than you'd think. Some manufacturers intentionally design parts to wear out so you keep coming back to the dealer. The Toyota Land Cruiser is the exact opposite of that philosophy. For decades, the Land Cruiser has been the go-to vehicle for the United Nations, Red Cross, and humanitarian organizations operating in the most remote and punishing environments on Earth. These organizations need vehicles that start every time, run on bad fuel, survive extreme heat and cold, and go hundreds of thousands of miles between major services. The Land Cruiser shares its platform with the Lexus GX and LX, which explains why those vehicles also appear on longevity lists. Toyota's approach has always been to overbuild everything, use proven technology, and prioritize durability over flashy features. That philosophy has created one of the most legendary vehicles in automotive history. Number 1. Toyota Sequoia. And here we are at the top, the SUV that outlasts every other passenger vehicle on the road today. According to the 2025 IC Cars Longest-Lasting Cars study, the Sequoia has a 39.1% chance of reaching 250,000 miles. That is more than 8 times the industry average of 4.8%. No other passenger vehicle even comes close. The Sequoia is Toyota's full-size, truck-based SUV, sharing its platform with the rugged Tundra pickup. The previous generation came with Toyota's legendary 5.7-litre V8, a power plant known for producing modest power relative to its massive internal components. In other words, the engine is overbuilt and understressed, which is exactly why it lasts so long. RepairPal reports the Sequoia's annual repair cost at $642, right at the average for full-size SUVs. But here's the real story. If you drive 15,000 miles per year, a Sequoia could realistically give you 17 to 20 years of dependable service. That's not marketing, that's what the data shows. Toyota secured 10 of the top 25 spots in the IC Cars study, and the Sequoia sits at the very top. When you buy a Sequoia, you're not just buying an SUV, you're buying decades of worry-free driving. But don't forget, even these high-mileage champions need regular maintenance, so please remember to do the oil changes and other scheduled services on time. That's the real secret to making any vehicle last. Hope you liked this video. If you haven't done so far, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for more informative automobile videos. Thank you for watching.